Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So guys, here I have all these ingredients to make my delicious Togolese dish called Gawou Fotor. So without further ado, let me go ahead and show you all my ingredients. I have some cuts, red and yellow pepper, some cuts tomato and green onion. I have some tomato paste here, got scallion, black pepper, chicken bouillon, and some salt. And here I have my gari. I have some black eye beans, peeled black eye beans. And guys, now we have to wash off that peeled black eyed beans. You wash it off well, you add it to your blender, and you add some water. So after blending it, this is what I have. That's my result. I add my salt to it, mix it well, guys. This is my consistency. So if you like it a little bit lighter, you can add more water to it while blending it. So the most important part is to whisk it. So if you don't have that hand mixture, you can use your hand to beat your batter. That's how we do it back home. So you can have that fluffy batter after like 5 to 8 minutes or even 10 minutes. You have some beautiful result with your batter. Okay, so I have my other oil here on the fire, and here you are seeing some onion there just to have some beautiful smell of flavor to add those beautiful flavor to my oil. Now I'll go ahead and scoop my Gawou butter to the oil. Once your oil is heat up, you don't want the oil to be that much heat up, otherwise you have burn or your akara, or akala, some people call it. You have your Gawou raw on the inside and burn on the outside. Okay, so here is after 3 minutes, you flip your Gawou up. Yeah, you turn it to the other side to have the same result on the other side. So here is my Gawou. That's the first batch ready. I just separate them from the oil and put them in the paper towel. You place a paper towel in one of your plates and you scoop them in to just draw the oil from it. Okay, suck up the oil. So this is my second batch of my Gawou. So now I will set it aside and let it cool down. So after I cool it down, what I will do is to smash them. While it's cooling down, I have my pots on fire, add some oil, and here I am adding I added some water to my Gari just to wet it, so you won't have that dry Gari Fotor. But some people like it that way though, so it's up to you, whatever you want, how you want it. So here I add my sliced scallion to my oil and my tomato paste, mix them well together and let it fry until the tomato paste is cooked. Okay, and right here I will go ahead and add a little bit of water to my pot to help this cook well and blend well together with the onion. Okay, and After that, I'll go ahead and add my red bell pepper, mix it, the yellow one, and I will mix them well together. And after that, guys, it's up to you how you want your veggies inside your Gawou Fotor. If you want it crunchy, yeah, it's up to you. As for me, I like it soft, so that's why I add a little bit more of water to help my veggies cooked well. And now I'm adding my chicken bouillon and the salt, mix it well. And next thing, I will go ahead and add my black pepper, yep, and my sliced tomato. Mix them all well together. Here you go, guys. So my sauce is ready. Then it's almost ready here. And to my sauce, I'll go ahead and add a little bit of my sliced onion, green onion, and voila. At this point, you just have to turn off the heat, and after turning off the heat, you can go ahead and add your Gari. So you won't have like something like peanut or whatever. So or a bat, some people call it. You don't want a bat here. You want some Gari Fotor on your Gawou. So as you can see, you have some lumps in your Gari. Make sure you get rid of all those lumps in your Gari to have some nice and smooth eating. So now I smash all my Gawou and add it up to the pot and mix it well. That's it. It's so simple and really delicious, guys. And this dish is so filling, guys. I can tell you, and it was so delicious. So that is all. My Gawou Fotor is ready. If you like it and you are not subscribed yet, don't forget to push the red button and bling ring the bell. There you go. You have all my upload notification. Okay, and don't forget to like and share on your platform. I will see you next time. Love you. Bye bye. Ciao.